The DEWALT galvanized barbed fencing staples are engineered to be robust and reliable, made from 9-gauge material that ensures strength and durability even in demanding rural applications. These staples are designed with divergent point tips, which aid in proper driving across wood grain, ensuring a secure and precise hold. A zinc-aluminum coating is applied to these staples, which exceeds Class 3 ratings, providing superior long-term resistance to corrosion. For enhanced holding power, each staple is equipped with a single barb leg and an adhesive coating, making it ideal for outdoor use where stability is crucial. The paper tape collation feature of these staples enhances work efficiency, significantly reducing the time spent on installation compared to using loose staples. DEWALT's dedication to quality is evident in these staples, which are compatible with the DCFS950 cordless fencing stapler and available in 3 sizes to suit various needs.